In today's video, I am going to teach you how to integrate Zoho CRM form on WordPress website. To begin, you will start inside Zoho CRM, because that is where the web form is created. Open your Zoho CRM account and go to the Setup area. From there, look for the section called Web Forms. This is the place where Zoho lets you build a form that can capture leads or contacts directly into your CRM. Once you are in the Web Forms menu, the next thing you want to do is click Create Web Form. This action starts a fresh form so you can design what information you want to collect. Take a moment to watch for the page that loads the web form builder, because that is where you will choose the type of record the form will create. Next, you will choose Leads or Contacts. If you want the form to create new lead records in Zoho CRM, choose Leads. If your goal is to create contact records instead, choose Contacts. Then click Next. This step matters because it controls how Zoho CRM will store submissions coming from your website. After you click Next, you should see the form editor where you can add fields. This is where you decide what information the visitor will submit. Add your form fields based on what you need for your CRM workflow. For example, typical fields include name, email, company, or phone, depending on your process. As you add fields, pay attention to labels and the required or optional settings, if those options are available in the editor. The goal is to make sure the form collects the right data the first time, so you do not have to edit submissions later. When you are finished adding the form fields, the next step is to click Save and Publish. This ensures your form is not just saved in draft form, but actually published and ready to be embedded on your website. Give it a few seconds to process, and make sure you see the confirmation that the form has been published. Once the form is published, Zoho will provide an embed code. You need to copy this embed code exactly as shown. Click to copy the embed code and keep it ready. This code is what connects your Zoho form to your WordPress page, so you can collect submissions directly on your site and send them to Zoho CRM. Now that the form exists in Zoho CRM, you will move over to WordPress to place it on a page. In WordPress, go to Pages, and then edit the page where you want the form to appear. Choose the correct page by clicking Edit, so you are working on the right location for your embedded form. When the page editor opens, look for the option to add a new block. Click the plus button, often shown as a plus sign in the editor toolbar. Then choose Custom HTML. This step matters because the embed code needs to be pasted as raw HTML, so WordPress can render it correctly. After you select Custom HTML, you will see a text area where HTML can be inserted. Paste the embed code into that box. Make sure you paste the full code and do not leave out any characters. When you are done, double-check that the pasted content looks correct, since missing parts of the embed code can prevent the form from appearing. Finally, click Update or Publish to apply the changes. If you are updating an existing page, you will use Update. If you are preparing a new page and want it live, you will use Publish. After that, open the page in a new tab or preview it to confirm that the Zoho form appears as expected and that it functions properly. And that covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.